In this video, I will gonna go through the data types of PHP that available, and it will be just an informative video. We will not gonna learn practical in it. I will just gonna give you the information about the PHP data types. So let's just start. So the following are the data types that we're gonna learn and understand actually. So the first one is the very basic one, which is a string. You probably know that a string is anything like, numbers, symbols, alphabets, special character, everything that you can write would be considered as a string. So it is the most common. So the next one is integer. It will only consider as a number without a decimal. Point to be noted, without decimal, like any number, 2, 4, 7, like I just gave the example. The next one is the float. Float is again the number but with the decimal. So the only difference between integer and float is that we have a decimal. The next one is the Boolean. Well, Boolean is just on and off kind of a type. It will only take true, whether false, no other value, only true or false, like 0 or 1, like that. The next one is the array, where array is the multiple values of the same data type. So you can say, if you want to store more than one value of the same data type, you use array. We will cover it later. Next one is the object. Again, it just used for the object oriented programming, but it is the data type. So I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about it, but not much. So you will gonna learn it in in our advanced video. Right now, this is the only thing that you have to understand, that it is store the information or the data on how to process the data. That's a normal thing that you have to just keep in mind. Don't worry if it does not make any sense to you. Don't worry, we will understand and cover the entire object system in later videos. The next one is the null. The normal one, you can even understand by its name, null. So it's defined that it's nothing, completely empty. Yeah. And the very last one is the resource. Well, again, resource is kind of an advanced data type, so you will learn it later in videos. But for now, you can understand resource actually used to hold the reference of any PHP type or any PHP resource, external resource. So it only hold the external resource in PHP, nothing else. So it's just an informative video to let you know the types of data that we have in PHP. So we will gonna cover each of these types in detail in our later videos, and more especially we will gonna discuss array, object, and resources. These are the very important one, and you will learn in no time when we will start telling you about it. So take care for now. Thank you for watching. See you in next lecture.